Not on.
Now.
No, the list. No.
Now.
No.
Now.
Yeah, it's on. Chalo, so we're doing math today. What is going on in school? Has anything been started in school for maths?
Division.
What revision?
Can I share screen?
Sorry?
I'll show you just a minute.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see the screens. Okay, the division, no?
Doesn't this type of division? Wait, I'll show you which type.
Only single digit division is going on.
No, wait, I'll show you. We're doing this type of division.
Understood. Only 2 digits, no maximum, or 3 digits also?
2 digits.
2 digits, no? Okay. Divisor is 1 digit. Can you go to the last slide?
Of this,
Yeah.
no, Miss, this is my school book, so many people working.
Yeah, I just wanted to see if the divisor is also 2 digits or is it just 1 digit? Okay, understood. Yeah, you can switch it off. All the remainder are 0. Okay. Okay. Give me a second, okay?
You're on a laptop today?
Yeah, I fixed my camera. Okay. I still think that sharing the screen. Okay, what I'll do is I'll also log in from my phone and I'll just show to you how to do it. Yeah. Why am I not moving on your screen?
This is your student from. Oh, now you're moving.
Chalo, I'll also stop sharing the screen.
Miss, I stop.
Yeah, 1 second. Can you see my screen now?
No. Explorer.
Now can you see it?
Miss, how you did you draw it from your laptop, but then how is it coming from your phone? Miss? Miss?
Yeah, Delisha, sorry.
So, Miss, you don't really have to do that. There's a whiteboard in a computer also.
In the Teams app only?
No, not in the Teams app, but then there is one. I can share the link with you.
Yeah, I'll download it. I know how to download it, but I just didn't have enough time to,
No, you
uh,
don't have to download. There's also a website.
oh.
I'll send you the link.
Yeah, send me the link.
Okay.
But then, doing it with the mouse or like, with the trackpad, it's a little irritating rather than just doing it with the fingers itself. You know?
No, okay, your laptop is a touch screen,
No, it's not. That's why.
but still, it's more easy to do it in like a laptop thing. It's more difficult to do it on a mouse.
हाँ वही ना.
Than a computer.
Yeah. Okay. Now look at my screen. Are you on Teams?
What?
Are you on Teams?
Yeah.
Okay. So see, division happens. Just say, and I'm going to first tell you what are the components of a division. Okay. So for example, I'm going to do a basic thing. 15 divided by 5. Okay. This is a basic. We already know the answer. But this is called
Let
as
me show
dividend.
you. Can you check? I sent you the link.
I will check. I'll do it later. Just let's just finish this first. Then I'll download it. Okay. This number is called as dividend. The first number, the number that is getting divided. Okay. The number that is getting divided is the dividend. The number which divides the greater number is called as divisor. What is it called as?
Divisor.
Very good. This sign is called as the divide sign that we already know. But I'm just going to.
I also have it with it.
You also have what?
See, I also have it written.
Achha. I
The
can't. Your video is off.
oh, let's go down. Can you see me?
No.
Huh? Now?
No.
No, I am my videos on.
Yeah, now I can see.
Go to the T map.
I know where to go. Yeah, it's on now. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Very good. Where is the remainder? What is the remainder in this?
The remainder is 0, 0.
Yes. Very good. Okay, so then now the answer that we get. Look at my screen now.
Yeah.
The answer that we get 15 divided by 5 क्या होता है? 3 होता है, correct? Because 5 into 3 is 15, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So this 3, the answer that we get is called as quotient or remainder.
What? What's question?
This number that we get as the answer.
Quotient is up, like which is up.
No, but you tell me in this 15 divided by 5, the answer is 3. So answer is quotient or remainder.
No, miss. But then I am learning about, so there is like first there is one like I'll show you an example about how
No, I know, Darisha. I'll get there. I'm just asking you, what is this answer called? Is it quotient or remainder? This
quotient.
3. Very
It's
good.
yeah.
Very good. Very good. Now, exact same thing, I'm going to do it like this. 15 divided by 5. This is the divisor as we talked about. This is the dividend as we talked about. Excuse my handwriting. 5 threes are 15 minus 15 0 0. This is the remainder. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now, some bigger number we'll take that does not directly divide. Okay, जैसे कि for example 84 divided by 2. तो क्या करेंगे? 2 के टेबल में 84 कहाँ आता है? पता है तुमको? नहीं. तो क्या करेंगे? पहले you will take one number. 2 what's the 8?
2 what's a what?
8. 2 how many is 8?
18.
2 80s are 80. Who is that? Your brother, no?
Where? What, ma'am? Wait, just a minute.
It's okay. It's okay. We are all having fun. It's okay. 2 what's the 8?
2 what's a 8? Yeah. It's
2 ones are 2, 2 twos
Wait,
are
wait, wait, wait,
4.
wait, wait.
Hmm.
7.
7s are 2 sevens are 8.
No, wait, sorry. Oh, sorry, 4.
Very good. So 2 fours are is 8. We took one number at a time because we don't know कि 84 2 के टेबल में कहाँ आता है. तो जब भी तुमको पता नहीं है ना कि कौन से टेबल में कहाँ आता है क्योंकि वो नंबर बहुत बड़ा है. So what you have to do is you have to take one number at a time. So we took 8 first. 2 fours are 8. We took 8 नीचे minus किया 0 आ गया. अभी ये 4 बाकी है ना तो we'll take this 4 down. 4 over here. 2 how many is a 4?
Miss your thing. Nothing, okay.
2 how many is a 4?
2, how many are 4? 2.
Yeah, 2 twos are 4. So minus 4, 0. This is the remainder. This is the quotient.
Because I think frozen.
It's
Because
not.
I can only see the 8, 4, 9 and the 9. I can't see the other thing.
It's not 9, it's 4. 4 minus 4.
But you didn't write anything like 4 minus 4. There's only 4 over there. No, not the other 4.
अच्छा कोई नहीं assume कर लो. I've written minus 4 and I've written 0 because 4 minus 4 is 0. ठीक है? So the upper number 42 is the remainder. Sorry, that's the quotient. मैं क्या लिख रही हूँ? That is the quotient.
Miss, can you please reshare because it's frozen and it's really weird.
Yeah, I. Now can you see it?
It's like I can.
Yeah, see. So this 0 is the remainder, 42 is the quotient. That
Miss,
means what does this mean is quotient multiply.
Miss,
हाँ हाँ.
yes, your screen is again frozen.
But I'm not doing anything. Frozen कैसे हो गया? I'm not doing
No,
anything.
it's in the thingy. It's in the what do you say?
Application.
No,
Running application.
no, it's like this. It's like this.
हाँ उसको running application बोलते हैं.
Yeah, same.
I think it's your network because I'm using two devices. I can see the screen on my screen. I mean on the other device.
See, but my Wi-Fi is full. I'm using the connect one.
क्योंकि मेरे में दिख रहा है तो तुम्हारे में भी दिखना चाहिए.
See, it's coming like this.
Yeah, I understood, but
You can reshare. No, it's fine. Now it's fine.
now it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So this upper number is quotient, नीचे का number is remainder. What does this mean is quotient multiplied by divisor. Divisor means 2. Quotient multiplied by divisor, in simple terms, 42 multiplied by 2, you will always get as the dividend. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 84. आ गया dividend?
Miss, can you keep your phone like that?
It's like that only.
No, it's vertical. Now, can you keep it like that?
No, it's horizontal only. वो अपने आप horizontally हो जाता है. वो vertical रहता ही नहीं है.
Oh, because it's not zooming in. Okay. So,
Quotient multiplied by divisor is always dividend. अभी तुम देखोगे तो quotient क्या आया हमारा 42 आया. Divisor was 2. 42 multiplied by 2 you will always get as 84, which is the dividend. Understood?
okay.
Understood or no?
Yes.
Confusion है?
No.
So basically when you know कि टेबल में कहाँ आता है तो तुमको डायरेक्ट ही करना है. टेबल में कहाँ आता है वो नहीं पता है, बहुत बड़ा नंबर है जैसे कि this one 84 divided by 2 you don't know, then you will have to take one number at one time. Okay? समझ गया? Dalisha?
Yeah, ma'am.
Chalo, I'm going to give you some questions. Take out your book, you'll have to solve it.
Miss, can I do it on the whiteboard?
No.
I don't have my book over here, that's why.
So get up and get it.
Why can't I do it on the whiteboard? I have it open.
Because whiteboard पे time लगेगा and I need that we have some record of it so that you can revise whenever you want.
No, I can save it. And it's more safe than a.
Chalo, that we'll do 2-3 sums you can do on that, but otherwise you will have to do it in the book.
Okay.
Get your book. Kim, क्या? Ready? Why are you moving so fast?
I'm so fast.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Chalo, I'll share my screen.
You know it's a Mother's Day in May 9.
It is Mother's Day in?
May 9.
No, I didn't know that, but thank you for that. I'll plan something for my mother. चलो start करो ये देखो.
Screen is frozen.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, now I can.
And my video is also on, no?
No, it's off.
It can't be. It's on, huh, Talisha?
No, it's not.
I'm sharing my screen. I can see my video on.
I know, but then that happens with me all the time.
अच्छा, ठीक है. चलो, ये solve करो. Start writing in the book.
No. Miss, your screen is frozen and me.
Talisha.
Miss, your screen is frozen on me.
तो उसको 2 मिनट दो, वो होगा. चलो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखो, मैं डिक्टेट करती हूँ. 24 डिवाइड बाय 3.
Okay, got it. 24. But then.
Yeah.
Nothing.
बा, કેટલી વાર નીકળવું જ પડે. કેટલી વાર
Yeah. Got it.
Do it and show it to me, huh, once you're done with the first sum. If
I'm
I,
done.
huh?
Done with the first.
Show. 24 divided by 3 is very good. Very good. Do the second one.
Miss done.
Sure. पप्पा ने नहीं हमला
The second one.
7 8 you've written 8, no?
What?
What is your quotient?
Quotient. Quotient meaning the answer, right?
Yeah.
The answer is 9.
You've written 8, no?
No, it's 9. See?
Achha.
Look the up one, look the down one.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Good. Now next one. Next one you will have to do the long division, huh? Like the way I showed you. One number at a time.
Miss, but then I didn't understand it. So first I have to check what's 9 nines are, right?
9 9s क्यों? 9 9s तो 81 हो जाएगा.
Then what do we have to do?
One number at a time.
मतलब?
दिखाती हूँ एक second.
Miss, you joined from 2 devices.
Only for whiteboard I'm using 2 devices. उसके अलावा I'm only from the one device.
No, but you can do my thing. You don't have to do that.
I know, but उसके लिए मेरे को
Go to chat, then you'll see.
अच्छा 1 second wait. Chat किधर है?
Go to that whiteboard. You can also see what I am drawing, and you can also see what.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Yeah, it's whiteboard.
How to?
See, I'm doing something. Tell me if you can see. Can you see it?
Nope.
Oh, that's weird. Yes, I'll just.
See, 99, correct?
Yeah.
And 9. अभी तुम 9 9 से 81 करोगे तो गलत हो जाएगा. You don't know if 9 के टेबल में 99 कहाँ आता है. तो take one number at a time. So 9, how many is a 9?
मतलब?
9 into what is 9?
9 1.
Yeah, so take one number at a time. When you don't know कि 9 के टेबल में 99 कहाँ आता है, because 99 is greater than, basically if in the table you know कि वो 10 के बाहर है, 9 10s are 90 है, correct? तो उसके भी बाहर है ये, तो 99 तो 90 से भी ऊपर है. So if you think कि वो 9 10s के भी बाहर है, मतलब if the multiplication is going beyond 10, then you have to take one number at a time. One number at a time का मतलब है पहले 9 को लो. ये 99 में सबसे पहले 9 आता है. तो 9 1s are 9. Write quotient में 1 and subtract 9. When you subtract 9, you'll get 0 over here. Then take the other number, which is the other 9.
So you bring
Again.
it down.
Again, 9 what's a 9? 1's a 9, correct?
Yeah.
So 11 और वापस से -9 कर दो क्योंकि 9 1 तो 9 होता है. And then 0.
Okay.
And this
Fine.
is called as taking one number at a time. when you think कि वो 9 10 जाके भी बाहर जाता है, वो टेबल में 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 से भी बाहर जा रहा है.
Miss,
Understood?
can you see what I just drew?
Yeah, I did. I can see. But did you understand, Dalishta?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, good. So you made it, no? Only we are the participant. That means you made it, no?
Yeah.
How to make it?
So you for making it, you have to like go to the over there the plus button. Then you have to search it on Safari, whiteboard.chat dot chat. Yeah, and then you go over here. Yeah. No, over here. Sorry, over here. The down. Just then start drawing.
Collab.
Start collaborating. Whatever. Yeah. So you made one. Now you can share the link.
Okay, understood.
Now
Thank you.
by Sunday.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, understood. चलो अभी ये कॉपी करो and do the next one. Did you copy this one?
No, wait.
चलो हो गया.
No, I lost my eraser.
If you can't find your eraser, just skip that space and do it again. या तो वो नंबर कट कर दो चलेगा.
I actually just write the 3 things are 999, so I don't need to do anything.
3 3s are 9.
मतलब सारे 9 ही है ना तीनों.
हाँ अच्छा. हो गया.
हाँ?
हो गया.
2 मिनट. Okay.
Okay. Do the next one.
Miss, you can erase that one.
Sorry.
You can erase whatever you scribbled over there.
Yeah, I know. But ठीक है रहने देते हैं. चलो करो ये वाला.
Which one?
Fourth one.
Oh, Miss, I'll be right back.
What? What happened?
I only have 2% battery.
Okay.
I need to plug my charger. Okay.
Wow, Dilisha.
Yeah. Okay.
चलो करें अभी सॉल्व. आगे का करेंगे. 85 डिवाइड बाय 5 करो.
85 क्या क्या क्या?
85 डिवाइड बाय 5.
I don't know.
If I start doing that, no?
क्यों आए हो?
चलो 85 डिवाइड बाय 5 हो गया.
मैं इस पर 8 तो 5 के टेबल में आता नहीं है.
8 5 के टेबल में नहीं आता तो 1 8 5 1 जा 5 करो और 8 माइनस 5 क्या होता है?
8 minus 5. 7 6 5 4 3.
3 होता है ना. तो 3 नीचे आएगा और वो वाला 5 नीचे आएगा तो 35 हो जाएगा. समझा कि नहीं? नहीं समझा? लुक एट माय स्क्रीन. देखो अभी जैसे ओ, $85 डिवाइड बाय 5. अभी 5 तो 8 तो 5 के टेबल में नहीं आता. वेरी गुड. तो 5 इसके पहले जो भी इमीडिएट टेबल में आता हो ना, जैसे 5 1 जा 5 है, 5 2 जा 10 हो जाता है तो 8 से तो ज्यादा है वो. तो 5 1 जा उसके इमीडिएट जो पहले आता है ना वो लेना होता है. 5 1 जा 5 माइनस 5 करेंगे यहाँ पे क्योंकि हमने तो 5 1 जा 5 लिखा है तो माइनस 5 ही होगा. माइनस 8 तो होगा नहीं. 8 माइनस 5 इज 3. करेक्ट. और ये वाला 5 नीचे आएगा जो हम नॉर्मली करते हैं वैसे ही एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. तो ये 35 हो जाएगा. तो 5 के टेबल में 35 तो आता है ना.
सो मिस अगर सोची अगर ऐसे कोई सा क्वेश्चन हो कि 2 see if it's like 5 by 95, okay, 95 divided by 5. If it's like that, then you'll do the same thing with the, like, you'll do the same thing. You'll do 1 upar and then you'll minus.
करेक्ट. वेरी गुड. एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. देखो 5 1 जा 5 करेंगे क्योंकि 5 2 जा तो 10 होता है. तो 5 1 जा 5. 9 माइनस 5 क्या होता है? 4 होता है.
No,
और फिर
but
ये वाला
I thought that we're supposed to do which is the closest number to 8, like which is 10.
नो क्लोजेस्ट मतलब उसके पहले वाला, उससे कम वाला, उससे ज्यादा वाला नहीं. क्योंकि हम माइनस कैसे करेंगे? अगर हम 5 2 जा 10 लिख देंगे तो 9 माइनस 10 करेंगे कैसे? बड़ा नंबर ऊपर होना चाहिए ना, है कि नहीं?
Oh, okay.
इसलिए 5 1 जा 5 4 आ गया. 4 एंड देन 5. ये वाला 5 नीचे आएगा.
Okay.
है ना. दिस बिकम्स 5. तो ना 5 के टेबल में 45 तो आता है. कितने टाइम में आता है? 5 हाउ मेनी इज 45 एंड 5 हाउ मेनी इज 35. दोनों का करो. 5 7 जा 35. करेक्ट और नो?
Yeah. Miss, but then now I did that, but I thought and the down the reminder is 35.
रिमाइंडर इज नॉट 35, सब 5 7s are 35 माइनस करेंगे ना तो रिमाइंडर तो जीरो ही हो जाएगा बिकॉज 35 minus
But
35 is 0.
nothing. There is never anything except a zero.
No, there is, but that we'll do later. वो डेसिमल में आ जाएगा, वो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स है. अभी हम सिर्फ रिमाइंडर जो जीरो होते हैं वही कर रहे हैं. There is a complication where the remainder is not zero. Then you will have to do the decimal thing. वो थोड़ा I think तुमको 5th grade में आएगा, अभी नहीं आएगा.
Where am I? Which grade am I?
4th, no? Or have you just came to the 5th grade or 4th grade?
I'm a third.
No, you came into the 4th grade, no now.
No, I'm a third. I just came to third.
You came to 3rd.
Yeah. You think I'm
Seriously?
in fourth?
Yeah.
I'm a third.
Oh.
I'm
So that
going.
decimal you will have in 5th grade. You still have 2 years.
I was kidding. I'm going to fifth.
See, I told you.
You're going on third. Haha.
चलो हो गया, ये समझ गया.
Yeah. What's the fifth question?
36 divided by 6.
36 divided by
6. दलजा करो. 36 divided by 6 क्या होता है?
got it.
What is it?
6.
Show.
Okay. This one.
Very good. उसके ऊपर वाला पे दिखाओ.
उसके ऊपर वाला.
Very good. Very good. Now do this one. This is again that जो हमने ये वाला किया ना 85 divided by 5.
Okay.
ये वैसा ही है बिल्कुल. Okay. Do this one. हाँ.
Which one?
6th one. It is like this only. 85 divided by 5. वैसा ही है.
That's 250. Miss, why doesn't come in twos table?
Yeah, no, it doesn't come. That's what I said. Now it is exactly like this one.
So see, so now what do I have to do is I have to check. I need to put 1 over 5k.
नहीं 1 नहीं 1
I
क्यों?
need to
हाँ, क्योंकि 5 के सबसे क्लोज तो 4 है ना. Tirisha.
I got hurt from my scrolling chair.
अरे बाप रे, कहाँ लगा?
My legs, it's red.
अरे
Travis, I feel like
yeah.
oh hi.
Now you okay?
Yeah, my dad got me some double. Okay. So income food. And that's 5. Then I have to minus 4, right? What time?
Yeah, you have to write 5 only because 5 तो उधर
Yeah,
वैसे
5 minus 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is 1. Then I have to bring the 4 down. Right?
Yes.
And then in 2 table, when does 4 come? It
4
comes.
नहीं, 4 नहीं, 14 no because 5 minus 4 you did 1. तो 1 तो है ही और ऊपर का 4 नीचे आया तो 14 हो गया.
14. Yeah, 14 comes in. Six. No, 8. 17.
17.
I mean 7.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So 27 is the answer.
Yes, very good.
Then I minus 14.
Now this is also a tricky one.
0, 0. See, ma'am, is this right? The sixth one. Where?
Bring it closer. Yeah. Yes. Very good. Chalo, abhi. Don't do the 7th one. I'll tell you which one to do. Do the 9th one.
रंग पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी वो सीधी साधी स्टोरी खराबी हो गई से पहले जो तूने का परोसन की भाभी हो गई Yes. Did you see it? Did you see it? Chapter 2.
No.
It's so funny and scary. He dies finally, and he comes back.
Why would you tell me that?
I don't know.
It's a spoiler.
I know.
You can't spoil it for me.
But
But I was anyway not going to watch it, so never mind.
Have you seen it, chapter 1?
I've not. I was really into scary movies. I used to watch so many horror movies until one day when I was like, I'm done with it, you know, like I've had too much of horror movies, now I'm not. And since that day I've not watched any horror movies. Not because I'm scared or anything, I was just done with it.
Oh, I'm scared of scary movies, but I like to watch them for some.
Yeah.
So, Miss, 6 is the most closest to 5 only.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, upper will come 1, na?
Yes.
And down will come 5.
Yes.
Which is 6, 1. And then, Miss, 5 में कभी 0 नहीं आता.
0 नहीं होगा ना, 10 होगा.
Oh, यार. Okay, sorry. So 10 होगा. तो ऊपर क्या होगा?
क्या होगा, क्या होना चाहिए?
Okay. So when does 10 come in 5 का table?
Yes, very good.
And now
तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा?
0, 0. I mean the quotient will be 0, 0, and the answer will be 12.
Quotient will be 12, remainder will be 0, 0.
Oh, same thing.
Very good. Chalo. Next. 14th और 15th वाला करो. 14, 15, 16. या तो सिर्फ
I do the 10th one.
No, it's an easy one.
I would like to do the 15th one.
Okay, do it.
टू की टेबल में कब आता है? Four. So 4 will come up. Miss 2 की टेबल में आता है ना? Okay. So 4 will come up. And oh, this is the easy one.
कभी आता है 2 की टेबल में 8?
4.
Yes. बहुत इजी है ये वाला. 16 वाला करो. बस लास्ट में.
The answer is 44.
Very good. Very good.
That was always fun. Haha.
Perfect. अभी सिर्फ 16 वाला करो, फिर हो गया. आज के लिए बहुत हो गया.
Okay. What's done?
क्या हुआ?
That's it.
चलो do it.
Okay. Miss, did you take a bath?
Yeah, I did. Why?
I didn't.
It's so hot. How can you not take a bath in summer? If it was winter, I would have said ठीक है चलो.
AC is on every single time.
That's okay. AC on होता है तो भी गर्मी होती है.
नहीं मुझे नहीं होती.
थोड़ा सा भी बाहर निकलो एसी के तो पूरा पसीना पसीना हो जाता है.
No, I'm also wearing shorts.
Yeah, but still.
And nice shirt, loose.
Mine is also very cotton and loose.
Cotton?
Cotton. Yours is also cotton.
Oh, it is. Okay. I love cold. You like summer or cold?
I like cold, of course. You can wear layers, but you can't possibly not wear anything in summer.
I went to Kashmir and we went to snow, but then the snow was cold, but then the weather was.
Yeah, I think snow is the best, but you can't survive every. I mean, people who actually live in Kashmir, they wouldn't enjoy so much. But for us, it's like a treat.
No, like one day we went, it was so hot, and the snow was also melting. And then when we last time went in December, it was the best thing ever.
Last year in Corona.
वो करोना क्या बोल रही है तू परी लास्ट टाइम जब करोना नहीं था
2019. Okay.
but then it was the best thing ever. My dad is saying that we might go this December also.
If only Corona is not there, or we all have the vaccine and everything.
I already had the vaccine.
You had it.
Yeah, though I went to Kashmir.
You went to Kashmir when?
I also went to Kashmir in 2021.
This year. When?
Yeah, my dad got COVID because of it.
Oh.
Yeah, he's fine. Okay.
Your dada is a doctor, no?
Yep. Baby, please no.
हो गया 16th वाला क्या आएगा आंसर?
No, I got distracted. Got it.
What is the answer?
Just a minute. Yeah, the answer is 14.
1-4 ना?
Yep.
Very good. चलो ग्रेट हो गया आज का. आज के लिए इनफ है. मेरे को एक बार दिखा दो लास्ट वाला. वेरी गुड. वेरी वेरी गुड. अच्छा अभी मुझे उसमें ही दिखाओ कि कौन सा डिविडेंड है, कौन सा डिवाइजर है, कौन सा क्वोशिएंट, कौन सा रिमाइंडर.
Okay, fine. So the quotient is 14. And the divisor is 4. And the divisor.
डिविजर हो गया 4. डिवाइजर बोलते हैं उसको.
Divisor. And divisor हो गया ना. और कौन सा होता है?
डिविडेंड.
हाँ, dividend is this. 56.
Yes, very good. और क्या बचा?
और क्या बचा? हाँ, 0 रिमाइंडर.
Very good.
Miss
Very good.
What? What?
Very good. सब तो आता है तुमको.
My birthday is coming.
When?
20 May.
अरे वाह. How many years? कौन से साल में हो तुम्हारा born year, कौन सा birth year?
2011.
So you'll be 10 this year.
Yeah.
Wow, getting big, huh? Joining the 2 digits now. Big
Yeah.
girl.
And you know that day it's also my cousin's birthday, so we are my cousin's sister birthday, so we are celebrating it together. And it's also my nani and nana's anniversary.
Wow, big day. Too many parties. But just take care that you don't, kind of invite everybody because COVID is there and all that. Okay? So take care and then.
No, I'm not inviting. I'm doing the online party with my friends.
That sounds good. That's what I did on my birthday. I had my birthday in April, like 10 days ago, or like 15 days ago. Yeah, and that's what I did. I was on the video call with all of my friends.
But you know, my dad and my brother are the luckiest because my brother's birthday is on January 14 and उसका हो गया, and he's like उसका birthday कितने अच्छे से celebrate किया. His school friends came, his building friends came, and my dad also. My dad का तो we went somewhere really दूर and we had so much fun. There were so many people. We played with fake snow.
वही ना. और लास्ट ईयर भी उसका कोरोना के पहले ही था बर्थडे. So both years he is not suffered only with.
My dad too in March 4.
Yeah, but people like us, no, both years we were in Corona.
Yeah, both like years. मतलब I wasn't even able to meet my friends that day.
Even on my birthday, even last year was the pakka lockdown. Everything was shut and everything because April, so
But I got
everything
many
was shut.
gifts. You know, last Christmas I got a phone as a gift and a SIM.
Very good.
But then it's a two-handed phone. Like my dad had this, but then this birthday I'm getting a new phone.
You're only 10. You shouldn't have a phone.
But still, my dad is giving me the best Samsung phone, which is that Galaxy something 21, and my mom has 20. So I'll have better than her. And also that my dad told not to take an iPhone, so I'm getting it next year.
अच्छा, okay, very good. चलो ठीक है.
Bye.
Bye. I'll wish you.
Thank you.
Bye.